So students, we will study about what? That is profit and loss. Okay, yes. So everyone knows what do you mean by profit and loss? So see here, profit and loss. So I think you may be knowing. Let's take one example. Okay, let's take one example. Okay. So you buy a pen for how much? 8 rupees. 8 rupees. You buy pen for 8 rupees. Now will you sell the pen for 8 rupees only or more? Yes? You will sell for more. That is, you will sell it for 10 rupees. That is more. How much more you sell for? How much more? 2 rupees more. 2 rupees more. So that is the profit. We say how much more you got? 2 rupees. You got the pen for buy. You buy for 8 rupees and sell for 10 rupees. That is the 2 rupees more is the profit. So buying price, we say it as cost. What do we say it as? Cost price. And selling price, we say it as selling price. Okay na? Yes. So that is how we find it. Cost price and plus profit will give selling price. Right? When you have profit. Okay. If you can't sell for your 8 rupees pen, you can't sell your 8 rupees pen, but you are giving a discount, that is less, 3 rupees less. It will be sold for how many rupees? 5 rupees. It will be sold for 5 rupees. Isn't it? Yes, it will be sold for 5 rupees. That is your loss. 3 rupees loss. Isn't it? Yes. So that is your loss. Right? So that is how you have to find the profit and loss. Yes, this is the loss. Yes, that's it. Okay. So this is your cost price. This is your selling price. Cost price means CP, selling price means SP. Okay. So how do you find your selling price? SP. Yes. How do you find your selling price? Selling price, when it is profit, we take by cost price plus profit. Okay. How do we find cost price? Cost price we find by selling price minus profit. Okay. When it is loss, how will you find your selling price? Cost price minus loss. That is, here loss is there, right? 3 rupees less. That is loss. How will you find cost price when it is loss? Yes, selling price plus, yes, loss. Okay, that is what you have to know. Understood? This much is more than enough. Okay, one more thing, discount. One more thing is discount you have to know. Okay, so discount, how do you find discount? Discount means that is count leaving. You have to leave it, that is minus it. If your packet, biscuit packet is rupees 10 rupees, you get discount of how much? 5 rupees, 50% discount. Okay, 5 rupees discount. How much it will be for? 5 rupees. Right? That is, we have to minus the discount. What you have to do? You have to minus the discount. You will get the answer. Okay, now this much only concept. Okay, write it down. Okay, so here we will solve the questions now. Okay, yes, so that is we will solve the questions. Okay. Can everyone see the questions? Profit and loss. Okay. So here if you see first question, you have to read the question and understand it. Okay. A shopkeeper purchases a chair for how much? 350. Purchase means buy it. What? Purchase means what? Buy. Okay na? So he buy the chair for how much? 350 rupees. And then sold. Sold means sell. Sell it for how much? For 25 rupees. Yes, sell it for rupees 425. Okay na? Then is it a profit or loss? Yes?
So profit.
Profit. Okay. How should you identify? The price is more. This is 350 is less and 425 is more. That is, this is the selling price. SP means selling price. CP means cost price. So it will be profit. More it is. Selling price. This side selling is more means that is a profit. So how do you find the profit? Yes? So profit we find by minusing. Cost, selling price minus cost price we will do. What we will do? Selling price minus cost price, that is how much? 425 minus 350. Yes, rupees 75 is the profit. Option is option B. Right? Very easy, isn't it? Okay. So next. Okay, next question. Anant purchases shoes for how much? Purchase means buy. That is how much he purchased for? 1599. And sold for how much? 1249. Less. Less means loss. It is less. 1249 is less than 1519. Buy and sold for 1299. Right? Sold for 1299. That is less. So find the loss. So loss, how do you find?
Option D.
Yes. That is, we have to minus cost price minus selling price. That is 1599 minus how much? 1249. If you minus, how much you will get? 350 is option C. Okay na? Very easy, isn't it? That is how you find the loss. Okay? Write it down. So now let's go for the fourth question. You do third homework. Okay? Fourth question. What is it? Yes, class work. Okay? So Ajay purchased a table for, purchase means buy, 1400. Spent 75 rupees on its transportation. Then sold it for 2149. So here what we have to do? We have to find the total cost price. That is first purchase. Buy for how much? Buy for 1400. Transportation is how much? Yes? 75 rupees. Yes, transport is how much? 75 rupees. Means total price will be how much? Yes? 1475. This is the cost price now and is sold for 2149. It is a profit now. So profit, how do we find? Minus it, right? Okay, that is selling price is this and cost price is this. Okay, that is selling price minus cost price. If you do how much? 2149 minus how much? 1475. You find it out, you will get the answer. Okay na? So here transportation cost is extra, that we have to add it with the cost price. Okay, that is he is spending it. Understand? So now let's do fifth also. What is the question? Article was purchased for this, sold for after spending 450 on its transportation. Same as fourth question. Same as Question number 4. Okay, classwork. You do it.
Homework, sir.
Classwork. Okay. So students, next question, that is sixth question. Percentage is there. It is not for you. Leave it. Okay. Next is seventh is also percentage. Leave it. Eighth is percentage. Leave it. Ninth question. Okay now. A shopkeeper bought 15 pencil at the rate of 5 rupees each and 25 pens at the rate of 8 rupees each. He sold the pencil and the pens at the flat rate of 10 rupees each. Find his gain, they are telling. So he is buying what? 15 pencil for 5 rupees each. So pencil, right? So how many he buy? Number of pencil into rate. If you do, you will get the price. Right? So number of pencils are 15 pencil into rate is how much? Rupees 5 rupees each. So total how much rupees? 75 rupees. If you multiply the number of pencils with rate, you will get total amount. So for 15 pencil, 5 rupees each means 75 rupees. Now pen. How many pens he got?
Sir, 6 and 7 is not there?
No, 25 pens. He took 25 pens at how much rupees rate? One is how much? 8 rupees. One is rupees 8. So total, if you want to find, you will multiply. So 25 8s is how much? Rupees 200. So total price is how much here?
200.
Total price is, cost price total is 275 rupees is the total cost price. Now this is the cost price. Selling, he is selling at what rate? Yes?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Each one is selling for 10 rupees. That is pencil also, pen also. So pencil are how many? Yes, 15 are there. So 15 into 10 rupees means how much rupees?
Sir, answer is 125.
150 rupees. He is selling at 150 rupees for the pencil. Okay? Yes?
Sir, I see. 15 rupees 10 is equal to, sir.
So he is selling pencil for how much? Selling now. Okay, selling for pencil is how much? Same, 15 pencil for 10 rupees. It means it is 150 rupees he is selling for pencil. Now pen, how many pens are there? 25 pens into 10 rupees. So it will be how much rupees?
250.
Rupees. This is here rupees 150 and this is here rupees 250. Total how much? Yes? 400 rupees. No, 400 rupees. He is selling for 400 rupees. How much he got for? He got for 275 and selling for how much? 400. So it is profit or loss? It is more. Profit, that is 275 and he is selling for 400. So they are asking gain. Gain or profit, both are same only. Right?
Sir, option C is 125. Sir, while you wrote pens, 25 divided 25 into rupees. And you wrote 10.
Rupees 10. Okay? 25 into rupees 10.
Sir, not that one. Sir, not that one. This one.
Okay, fine. So that is profit will be 400 minus 275. If you do, how much it will be? It will be 125 rupees is the profit. Which option? Option C answer. Right? That is how you have to find the profit. Understand?
Instead of doing that 200 minus 75.
So see here, now 10th will be homework for you, okay, classwork. Now 11th question is also same but little change, okay. What is that little change? So Rohan bought means buying, buy
Sir, I
past.
can't able to see your screen.
You join once again. Rohan bought 4 dozen eggs at the rate of 25 rupees per dozen and sold them at the rate of 350 paise per egg. He is selling for 1 egg. What is his profit in the transaction? So total how many eggs he is buying? He is buying 4 dozen eggs. How many eggs? 4 dozen eggs.
4 dozen eggs.
So we have to understand first that one. Okay na? So here buying is how much? 4 dozen eggs. Okay na? So 4 dozen means how much it is? How many eggs?
Sir,
4 into 1 dozen is 12. 1 dozen is how much? 12. So total how many eggs he bought? 48 eggs. 12 fours are 48. So he bought 12 48. That is 48 eggs he bought total. Right? So here cost price will be how much here? So we know 1 dozen is 25 rupees per dozen. 4 dozen will be how much?
Sir, 25 for the 100.
100 rupees is the cost price. So cost price, if you write it, that is 25 rupees per dozen into 4 dozen, right? So 4 dozen 25 rupees, right? So 25 rupees is 1 dozen into 4 dozen. So cost will be how much? 100. 25 fours how much? 100 rupees is the cost price. Okay. Now he is selling them for how much? Yes. So selling price, if you want to find, it will be how much now? That is so 48. Each egg he is selling for how much? That is 3.5 paise. That is rupees 3.5, 3.5 rupees. How many eggs are there total? 48 eggs. How many eggs? Total 48 eggs are there, right? Isn't it? That is each per egg it is 3.5 rupees per egg. So total 48 eggs are there. So what will be the price if you multiply with 48? Yes? Tell me. 48 threes is how much?
Sir, actually, sir. Rupees
144. Okay. And 144 plus 24 will be how much? Yes? 168 rupees. How much? 168 rupees. Okay na?
48 threes are.
So it will be 168 rupees. You know how to multiply the decimals, right? If you do, you can multiply. So 48 into 3.5. So you multiply with 5 first. So 5 8s are 40. Carry 4. 5 4s are 24. It will come plus here. 3 8s are 24. Carry 2 here. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 0 will come. 4 2s are 8. And then 2 4 6 1. 168.1 will come. So but one decimal point is there, means one decimal point will come. So that is why answer is how much? 168, right? 168 is the answer. So he is how much? He is taking for 100 rupees and selling for 168 rupees. How much is the profit? Yes? Minus it. 168 minus 100. That is 68 rupees is more. That is the profit. So answer is option A, right? When it is given, we have to understand first. Yes, answer is 68A. So dozen means total 48. Dozen means 12 will be there in one dozen. So 4 dozen means 20. Yes, we have to first understand this. Okay, they have given the selling price of one egg. Okay, that you have to understand. Understood? Do it. So here students, 12th question. What is it? That is the profit earned on a selling chair for 1470 is equal to loss incurred on selling at 930. The cost price of the chair. So I will tell with the example. Right. So if you have one chair, okay, with you, the cost price and the selling price is what? If you take, that is 1000 rupees is the cost. If you sell it for 1100, you will get how much rupees profit? 100 rupees profit. And if you sell for 900, how much will be the loss? 100 rupees. Here also like that. That is loss incurred on selling and profit is what? Same, equal. They are telling loss and profit. So profit earned and loss is equal. That is same, like this. So what is that price? We have to find it. Here we took the example of 1000. Like that, you better go with options. What you should do? You should go with options. First I will tell the options method. Okay? Yes, it will be easy for you. Okay, so both the answers should be same here. Both the answers should be what? Same here. So we will go with options A. So 1120 is there. When it this side is how much? 1100, 1700, 1420, 70 and 930. If you minus, how much answer you will get? 1470 and 1120 answer will be how much? Yes? Tell me. You should minus.
350,
okay. So you should minus, that is 1470 and 1120. If you minus, you will get 350. 350. And this side, if you minus 1200, that is 1120 and 930. If you minus, how much you will get? That is 12 minus 3 is 9. You will get how much? That is 190. 190. Huh? Yes, is it both same? It is not same. So it is not same. So that is why it will not come. Yes. So if you go for B option now, that is 1200. So 1200 to 1470. It is how much plus? 270. And if you sell it for 930, how much less? 270 rupees is less. So both are same, equal. So then the cost price is 1200, option B. Right? If he sell for 1470, he will get profit of how much? 350. This is the chair. This is the cost price of the chair. Okay. So then you will get same amount. So that is why A is not the answer. B. If he sell for 1470, you will get profit of 270. If he sell for less 930, you will get loss of 270. So the price of the chair is how much? 1200. You should go with option. Okay, now that will be easy. Understand? So students, I am explaining once again. Listen here. Okay. So the profit earned on selling for 470 is equal to the loss incurred at 930. Same, equal. Equal means that is same. Equal means same. Profit and loss is what? Is equal. That is same. So here let's go with option A. That is 1120. So they are selling at 1470 first. If they sell at 1470, and buy at, they are telling 1120 rupees is the cost price then. So if they take at, that is the cost price we have to find, right? Cost price means we know, that is buying 1120, selling at 1470, that is selling for, that is a profit. So how much profit? 350 rupees is the profit. Now he sells for how much? 930. 930 if he sells for how much loss? Less, it is 190 less. So if it is 190 less means that is how much? 190 less means 930. That is profit we are getting 350, but loss we are getting 190. It is not same. So that is why that is not the answer. That should be equal. Loss and profit should be equal. If you go with option B, 1200 rupees is the chair, 1470 rupees selling means how much rupees profit? 270 rupees profit. And how much is the loss when it is sold for 930? Yes, that is 270 is the loss. So both are same. Loss and profit are what? Same. That is why equal. So that is the answer, option B. Understood? We have to take the option that is the cost price. From that, selling price is 1470 and 930. You have to minus it. You will get the answer. If the answer is same, that is the cost price. If the answer is different, no. Here the answer is same, that is the cost price. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Complete the homework. Okay.